Hey, what's up YouTube? Got another AliExpress part unboxing review, cheapo MTB part review, whatever you want to call it, that I'm doing today. And we are talking about a stem. Pretty loudly represented there on the box. This is by Mixed, if you can see that there. Dual color. This is a 35mm stem for a 35mm diameter bar. And it is a 35mm length stem as well. It's really cool looking, at least it was in the pictures. Aluminum, looks like it's machined aluminum. So we're talking about billet here. I think it looked really good in the pictures. I guess we'll have to unbox it and we'll check it out and see what this thing's all about. $20 shipped to the door from AliExpress. Yeah, all right. And oh yeah, it's going obviously on the Marin. That's where a lot of the AliExpress parts are going for now, on the Marin. But I think this is going to be the last part that goes on the Marin, and then it's done. I don't think I'm doing anything else to it. Just going to ride it. So let's unbox it and check it out. So we're just going to take it out of the sleeve here. And I may have already opened this box. Looks like you've got some directions here. It's going to be really similar to a nuke-proof stem, at least the way that it mounts. You're going to have no gap on the top. So, pretty nice that they send directions with it. It says that this thing is designed in Canada on the box. I don't know how real that is. Got some foam here, and it came with this stem cap. Looks pretty cool. It's got like a little creature, blue goo monster. Blue goo monster on the stem cap. We'll probably actually use that. It looks pretty cool. Here is the stem. I mean, it is gorgeous. Look at that thing. So I went for the black to blue colorway. I believe they called this Ocean. And man, it looks nice. And the whole reason I even ordered the stem to begin with is because I found a killer deal on these Diety bars, carbon handlebar, for 20 bucks on Facebook Marketplace. And they're in excellent condition, and they are a 35mm, which is probably overkill for a hardtail, but it was such a good deal I had to pick them up. And I think they're gonna look really killer. But major stokage on this stem. It is just super quality. Cannot wait to get on. Let's do it. Stop talking, more installing. And now it is complete. Really impressed with the build quality of the stem. I think it looks gorgeous on here. I'm not quite sure about the stem cap. I might put the worst components on back on it, but we're gonna run it for now. But I think this bike is complete. I think it looks pretty sweet. All in all, I don't think you can go wrong with a $20 stem. Do I trust it to go downhill riding with? I don't know. That's to be seen. It seems like it's built really well. I will say the components that came with it, when I'm talking about the bolts here, actually seemed like they were top-notch quality. Really nice. They had some nice grit on them. You can run them in with your fingers really good. They seem really high quality. So I think for 20 bucks, worth a shot, man. I think it looks really good. I'm impressed with another product from AliExpress, which kind of shocked by. But yeah. Anyway, thanks for watching, guys. Hopefully we get to ride this thing. The weather's pretty nice, so if it's dry, I might even ride it tomorrow. We can talk about the Marin 29er, the Pine Mountain. So, all right, see you guys later.